Today we are here to talk about the Business Summit. I see there are a lot of activities going on your website and on your Facebook and LinkedIn pages. So I just wanted to know and understand what is the Business Summit exactly and what inspired you to start it initially.
Business Summit is a story. I started business when I was only 22 years, and I had a quest from the beginning of my career to have an international connections, to have my connections all over the world, and that's how I expanded. I have friends all over the world, and that's how I was inspired to bring everyone from across the world, from 5 continents, into under one umbrella. And then with my friends, I've been talking and connecting many friends for many reasons. And then it transpired that it needs to be officiated to help more people, more friends, and so on, among friends and associates and business partners, those who need help. Like in 2016, some of my friends were saying that I need the money for my this project, that project, and so on. And some of my friends from Europe and US, they said, oh, well, we have money to invest. So we are looking for tangible, good project like food ready on the platter, and that kind of a project. If something is ready to go, we are ready to invest. And so that's how we arranged first summit of my friends. We have started doing the summit, but in a different fashion online. So we are still helping our friends to connecting globally. We have our connections over 150 countries, over 150 countries where I have somebody that I can call and say, hey, I have a business, or I need somebody to do something, or do you want something? So for example, if we are going for a market expansion for one product, it's easy for us that with one click, I can connect with my people, with my friends, with my associates, with my network in 150 over countries. And they are all business owners, not politicians, not employee and so on. They're all business owners. So that's how we connect businesses and helping businesses to grow globally. Those who are not thinking, those who are having distress situation with COVID-19, we are helping them growing their business and expanding the business when the others are struggling severely.
Right, right. Very well, sir. Thank you so much for the great introduction. I would like to know that since there are so many businesses out there and the pandemic the businesses are suffering because of the pandemic all across the globe. So what do you think is the biggest challenge that businesses are facing today globally in the pandemic? What is their biggest challenge?
The biggest issue is the mental issue. The business owners are in distress, under extreme stressful situation, because they have the business, they have financing, they have employees to take care, and so on. So they have to pay end of the month the bills, the salaries, and banks money, and so on. So keeping business afloat is the biggest challenge for any business owners across the world. So what we do is we help people to scale up the business. And first of all, we give them a support that we are here. Our hand is here. Just hold our hand, and we take you to the global marketplace. While you are really under a distress situation, you are feeling that nobody is there to help you. It's not the situation. We are here to help you, and we take you there. And we take them into the global roadmap, and then scaling their business, expanding their business, getting new market for their products and services. And that's how we have already connected so many companies between Asia, Africa, Europe, and North America. All these companies are struggling. Why are they struggling? They were under serious stress. So we have helped them out. Hey, come on, don't be stressful. Don't be shy, or don't be demoralized. Don't feel demoralized. Come on, we are here. We are helping you. So that's how we basically helped a lot of small entrepreneurs and mid-size, large size, mega size. We are connecting with the investors. We have solid 200 investors along with us and globally in different places. And we connect investees with the investors, project owners that need funds, project owners that need to sell their project. Some of them are exiting, like the baby boomers. They are elderly during this pandemic. They're really stressed. They want to sell off their business and exit from the business. So we basically connect with the buyers, sellers, expansion of the business, and then those who are looking for funding, and we are connecting them with the funders and financiers globally. So that's how we are helping businesses to keep afloat. And when people are really struggling to, globally to maintain their own staffs, own employees, we are creating more employment, I would say, for some of our clients that are really with our taking our help and assistance, and they're creating more new employment. That's
Right. Okay. So, sir, once I joined the business summit, once I give my presentation of my business, what am I doing, where am I from, etc., what happens next? How do I connect with the investors or buyers or sellers? What is the process?
we have a business portal, as you know, www.businesssummit.net. And this is a very, very dynamic business portal where you can immediately join and put your business over there. And we have hundreds and thousands of stakeholders that are there already in the marketplace, where when you put your project or when you put your products, they're watching, they're looking at it, and then they're matching on their own. It's automated system. We don't need to interfere into this. For a smaller and medium-sized business, this is one of the greatest portal, I would say, currently that is available in the world, that you can join and you can put your business into the marketplace, and you get traction immediately and automatically without interference from anybody. That's the portal. For mega size project, what we do is we engage our concierge service. We have managers sitting across the world. We have a team of people strategically located in Asia, Pacific, Middle East, Africa, Europe, and North America. So we are afloat 24/7, and our people are connecting and helping the mega size or big size project that where we need to put our attention, especially to negotiate with the big investors and buyers and merger and acquisition companies and other stakeholders. We are connecting them and giving them one-to-one services. Getting an immediate results, financial results, scaling business, scaling revenue, and scaling profit. That is what Business Summit is doing.
Amazing, sir. Thank you so much. So my next question would be, for the audience especially, what are the major industries that are targeted in Business Summit? Is it everybody can come and participate, or there are some major players that can come in? Is there any eligibility criteria?
Business Summit is open for everyone. Even a small shopkeeper can, we want to make it available for micro, small, medium, and large size businesses, for everyone. We want to, this portal is ready to cater anyone that has got the accessibility in the internet. They can definitely join and scale up their business wherever they are in the world, because we have stakeholders, we have buyers, we have clients from all around the world.
Right. Absolutely right, sir. So, sir, what are the major benefits that an entrepreneur can have once they join the Business Summit?
The major benefit is that with the use of technology, with the use of internet, they are getting immediately connected globally into more than 150 over countries. The moment he puts up or she puts up the project into the marketplace, it's getting attraction to our clients or to our stakeholders in all the continents globally. That's number one. which is impossible for one single person to, go to the world market. And it's a question of trustworthiness. If you are trying personally yourself, and it might not be the right traction that will be getting, but when you go through the business summit, when you are putting up your business into the business summit, that looks like, that mean that you are a genuine business person, and our clients, our investors, our partners, they're taking it very seriously, and getting the traction needed, getting the attention needed. That's number one. Number two is results. It's very fast. We operate 24/7. The portal is open 24/7, and somebody can just get it, connected anytime they want. And you are not sitting alone. We are here to help you and get your business to the next level. That's number two. Number three is it's not expensive. I mean, there is a very, very little cost for this traction compared to the benefits that you get, compared to the advice you get, compared to the support you get, compared to the traction you get, compared to the investment you get. The cost is nothing almost. So that's because it's pandemic time, and I know how difficult it is for people to spare money for expenses of getting traction globally. It's like we know that. So that's another benefit that somebody can really enjoy. Right now, we are our website is offering free joining right now in silver category. You can see that. And any one that want to get a traction, get into the global business roadmap, can immediately jump in and join in few seconds or in few minutes, and put their businesses, put the photographs, put the information, and get the partners they're looking for.
Absolutely right, sir. Thank you so much. I think this was an amazing interview. For the audiences, I would like to say our website is live. You can go there, you can fill in the registration forms, and there's a payment gateway. You will immediately receive an email about your confirmation, and the business summit coming is on 12th of June, 2021. Please join everybody.